being recorded.
Online students, please check your audio and video settings. Online students, please check your audio and video settings, please. Come on, everyone. Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please. So what is the topic? Spring Data MongoDB, right? Which is a NoSQL database software. So I'm happy with the SQL database software. My favorite is Oracle. My second favorite is what? MySQL. Why should I entertain this NoSQL database software? I would like to say no to NoSQL database software. You cannot say now. Why? Because data is becoming dynamic, data is growing, data dynamics are changing very, very fastly. So we need to have such a database which can store dynamically growing data, dynamic schema based data. Are you getting my point? Dynamically growing data, dynamic schema based data. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, for that one, MongoDB. Simple theory, guys. You know, certain information or certain category information, attributes are fixed forever. Or max to max, only those attributes will be there, nothing else, nothing extra, nothing less, nothing extra, nothing less. Then think about going for what? SQL database software. Employee, let 100 employee, 200 max to max, 30 details only I want to gather. Then go for what? SQL database software. No, 30 attributes are not fixed, guys. 30 attributes are not only count, even attribute names also not fixed. Okay. Things are changing dynamically. Few things we have 5 attributes, few things we have 10 attributes, few things have 100 attributes. You think about e-commerce website, portal, product details. Tell me, all products will have same attributes, guys. Cosmetic products, different attributes, right? Cosmetic product, what will be there? Okay, that value, this value. Okay, the category of the product, that's one. Electronic products, different. In electronic, mobile different, TV different, right, boss? Everything is different there or not? So here, attributes are not fixed. Data is what? Dynamically growing data. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Data is what? Dynamically growing data. In that situation, better to work with what? SQL database software, son, no SQL database software. Definitely we need to work with what? No SQL database software. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Tell me what is there? Spring Boot data JPA. Not that. I think common topics I have to talk now, boss. Here is my common topics. Where is that? Spring Boot. These many common topics are there, guys. Spring Boot date MongoDB. Where is that? Not there. How come? Spring Boot MongoDB. How come? Where it is gone, guys? Spring Boot MongoDB. Okay, no problem. We'll create, guys. New, what is there? Folder. Spring Boot MongoDB. Spring Boot MongoDB. Right. Yeah. Let me go to my previous batch. 901. NTSPBMS 901. What is that? 901. I think this is 901. Spring Boot MongoDB is there. Yes. Spring Boot MongoDB is there or not there, guys? Why? Control A is not working. E-Drive, class content, Spring. What's the batch code where we got the backups? Yeah, 901 Spring Boot MongoDB. Copy this. Come to what? Come to common topics. Yes, guys. Spring Boot MongoDB. Say paste. Yeah, this month only we conducted this session. What is the second? No dates, guys, for common topics. We'll change the batch code. No batch code also. These are common for everyone, na? Right. Okay. Here, what is there, guys? Done. Next. Okay. So let me open this one. Right. Spring Boot 2024, right? Okay. Spring Boot 2024, guys. Tell me. Introduction. Let me open this document, my dear. Open with Paint. Spring Data, MongoDB. Spring Data JPA is given to interact with what? Multiple database software, and Spring Data provides separate submodule to interact with what? Each NoSQL database software. Spring Data JPA to interact with all SQL database software. To interact with each NoSQL database software. Tell me. Spring Data MongoDB is one name. Next, Spring Data Cassandra is one module name. Spring Data Couchbase, what guys? Couchbase is one module. Spring Data Neo4j. What is there, guys? Neo4j is one module. Like this, we have a different modules over here or not, guys? Say something, my dear. Come on, I want reply from you people. Come on, everyone. It's happening or not, guys? Spring Data provides unified model to work with what? Both SQL and NoSQL database software. SQL database softwares are Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL, and etc. These are DB tables based. NoSQL database softwares are MongoDB, Cassandra, Couchbase, Neopor. Some of them are key value based, some of them are document based, some of them are what? Graph based. All are not same category. All of them are not same category. If data is having fixed format and fixed schema, go for SQL database software. Already we discussed it long back, right? If data is dynamically growing and no fixed format, then go for what? No SQL database software. I will write some more conclusion here. If the attributes of the information, like columns, like column name, like columns, information or records are fixed. What, guys? Fixed. Then prefer working with, come on, prefer working with SQL database software. Next, guys, tell me if the attributes like columns of the information or records are not fixed, then prefer working with then prefer working with tell me NoSQL database software. Okay. साजन को या तकलीफ भाई मिस्टर मोदी जी Namaskar Modi ji. Again this started, guys. Again he started drama. Okay. These idiots who are burdened to the parents and earth. They have a lot of time and to disturb everyone. I think he left, huh? He left. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Guys, everyone please concentrate. Prefer working with what, guys? NoSQL data. NoSQL database softwares. Got it, guys. Come on. Everyone, please focus, guys. Everyone, focus on subject, current topic. Yeah. Here, what is their example? Employee with max of 30 attributes. Fine. Okay. Here. Products that are having different attributes. What, guys? In different situations. Different attributes in what? Different situation. Convinced with me, guys? Come on, everyone. Right. Okay. In different situation or categories. In different situation or category. Different situation or category. What's the definition? SQL. Difference between SQL and NoSQL. It's a standard differences, guys. Bit technical also, because non-technical we already know, right? But technical differences I am giving. You need not remember all the differences wherever green marked I mentioned. You just remember them and use them, and someone asks about what. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL database software, right? Yeah, what's the definition, boss? What's the definition, guys? Come on, everyone. SQL database software. Okay. What's the definition? SQL database softwares are primarily called RDBMS or relational databases. NoSQL databases are primarily called, come on. Okay, what is that? NoSQL database are primarily called. Okay. Non-relational are distributed databases. Non-relational are what? Distributed databases. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Give me 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Yes, guys. Next, design for traditional RDBMS uses SQL syntax and queries to to get data for further insights. They are used for what? OLAP systems. OLAP means what? Some abbreviation is there. Online analytical processing. There and there you can see the data, there and there you can query the data, there and there we can analyze the data. Na? I want to know how many people are having Raja name. Count star something we can get it. So the online analyzation is possible or not, guys? Okay, no database systems consist various kind of database technology. These databases were developed in response to the demands presented for the development of modern application. In modern application, data is growing like anything. Data is changing dynamically. That's why these NoSQL databases have come. Query language, here what? SQL. Here, next one. No declarative query language. Unfortunately, no declarative query language. Type. SQL database are table-based database. NoSQL databases can be document-based, key-value pairs, graph-based. Some of them are document-based. Some of them are key-value pairs. Some of them are what? Graph. That means data will have hierarchy. Graph means hierarchy. Schema. SQL databases have what? Predefined schema. SQL databases have what? Predefined schema. NoSQL databases uses dynamic schema for unstructured data. What data, guys? Dynamic schema for unstructured data. Are you getting my point? Ability to scale. SQL databases are what? Vertically. Or schema means what, guys? Structure. Structure of the data is called schema. Collection of tables is called one schema. In one project, 10 to 20 tables are there. Their designing will be there. That is called schema. Schema means structure, right? Cursor not visible. Okay. I am audible now. Enough, that is. SQL database are vertically scalable. Vertically scalable means what? This scaling is two types. Horizontal scaling, vertical scaling. Let me spend some time. You want to store more data. What you have to do? That computer RAM, that computer hard disk you have to increase. That means in single place only we have to increase the things. That is called vertical scaling. Grow like this. But NoSQL database software support horizontal scaling. That means in one machine few amounts of data. Come on, guys. In one machine few amounts of data. In another machine what? Okay, guys. New one machine few amounts of data. Another machine another amount of data. So horizontally we can take multiple computers. We can connect them through network and we can manage and store the data there. Horizontal scaling. That means 1, 2, 3 and scale the thing. Vertical means growing the infrastructure of the single computer. I'll tell best example, guys. Paradise is popular hotel in Hyderabad for biryani. Initially it was there for 100 members. He found his brand is increasing. Let's expand. What he did? He dismantled that building and constructed 6-floor building to accommodate 1,000 members. So what he has done there? Vertical scaling he has done. But later he realized Hyderabad has become busy city, traffic issues. People cannot travel to Paradise only to eat biryani from the high-tech city or what, Gachibowli or Kondapur or far distances. So he started keeping branches in multiple parts of the city. This comes under horizontal scaling. So now you want to eat Paradise biryani. Are you really going to Paradise location which is there in Secunderabad? No. You are just going to what? SR Nagar police station area, right? Near SR Nagar police station also they have got branch, it seems, right? There are not there. Aware or not aware? Aware na? That's good. No, see. If you focus on subject, you will understand what is there in Java, what is there in Spring Boot and microservice. If you don't focus on subject, when you leave the Hyderabad, you will tell, here Chai Bandi is good, right? Here Paradise is there. This hostel is great, right? In that hostel, that cook food is good. That they prepare Saturday nice puri ra, go and eat ra. Fine. Amoga tea ra. Dog bones powder will be mixed in that ra. Okay. Still you are crazy about Amoga tea? Still taking Amoga tea? Taking a? Okay, fine. Then no problem. One day you will say bow bow. Yeah. SQL databases are what? Yeah, in Amoga tea only I said. SQL databases are vertically scalable. What guys? Vertical. NoSQL databases are what? Horizontally scalable. That means you need not to store entire data in one machine. Multiple machine we can distribute the data. Right guys? Examples: Oracle, PostgreSQL, MS SQL. MongoDB, Redis, Neo4j, Cassandra and HBase. Best suited for what guys? Best suited for an ideal choice for complex query intensive environment. What guys? Complex query intensive environment. Are you understanding my statement guys? Okay. Complex query intensive environment. Are you understanding my statement here guys? Come on everyone. Super. Okay. What is there? Hierarchical data storage, all this stuff. Tell me next one. Best suited for. It is not good for complex queries. More suitable. It is not suitable. Hierarchical data storage. SQL database are not suitable for what? Hierarchical. Okay. More suitable for hierarchical data stored, it supports key value pairs. It also supports what? Key value pairs. Variations. One type of with minor variation. Many types which include key value document graph based. Right, boss? Super. Okay. Next. Development year, guys. It was developed in 1970 to deal with what? Issues with flat file storage. To deal with the issues of what? Flat file storage. Developed in the late 2000s to overcome the issues and limitations of what guys? Databases. To overcome issues and limitations of what? SQL databases. Convinced or not guys? Come on everyone. Open source, a mix of open source like Postgres, MySQL, and commercial like what? This one. It's a mix. It's always they are always open source. All NoSQL database softwares are this one. Okay, they are started 1970. This is what 2000, but taken 15 years time to get into the market. 1970 they came, but came to shape in 1995, 96 onwards. Fine. Consistency. It should be configured for strong consistency. That means data consistency. You have to do so many things. That constraint, this constraint, all. It depends upon DBMS as some offer strong consistency where others offers only eventually consistency. When you start adding things, consistency will come. Best used for okay, for solving acid problem, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Okay, whenever you want to maintain the data by solving acid problem, atomicity. Okay, it should allow only one user to manipulate the data at a time so that problems will not come. Next one, consistency. What do you mean by consistency, guys? See, 1-2 times it's going wrong, but overall it should go right. Or we say batsman is consistent batsman. Though he fails 1-2 innings, at the end of cricket season his average should be increased or not. Come on, guys. Okay. Yeah, tell me next one. Isolation. Every user who is operating data should get the feeling I'm the only one person operating this data at this time. You should not think that parallelly things are happening. Durability. Durability means long run. Okay, na? Durability what? Long run. Okay. Durability, long run. So what is long run, guys? Baapre, baapre. Okay. Durability, long run, guys. Durability, long run. Okay. Fine. Though database is corrupted or down, we should be in a position to bring it back and sustain the data by taking one or other backup support. That is called what? Durability. If we take the support of this SQL database software, atomicity will be there, isolation support we can implement, consistency and durability also. Yeah, tell me next one. It depends upon DBMS as some offers. NoSQL are best used for solving data availability problems. Or dynamically doing data should be stored, should be managed or not, guys. Importance. It should be used when data validity is what? Super important. When data validity is what? Super important. Use when it's more important to have fast data than correct data. Faster access, guys. Okay. Because here no constraints, na boss. So for primary key, this correct data is not there, but fast data accessibility will be there. Hardware. Specialized DB hardware. Oracle, Exadata. Commodity hardware, right? Cheap hardware. Regular computers also enough. Because you want to store more data, you have to purchase costly and high-end software hardware. But here, commodity means what? Regular. Commodity market means what? Rice, rice, wheat. This kind of market is called what? Commodity market. Okay, now listen carefully. Commodity hardware means what? Here horizontal scaling, na? By taking 10 computers of normal, we can still maintain huge data, right? But if you want to maintain huge data, you should have high-end processor, high-end hard disk, high-end what? Motherboard. Everything should be high-end or not, guys. So here specialized hardware is required. Specialized memory is required. Here what? Not really. Best features. Cross-platform support, secure and free. What do you mean by cross-platform support? It runs in multiple operating systems. Easy to use, high performance, flexible tool, right? Top companies using SQL. Hootsuite, Circle CI, Gross, ICICI Bank, Airbnb, Uber, Kickstarter. Airbnb, Uber, Kickstarter. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Acid versus base model, guys. What is there? Acid versus base model. Acid. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability is standard for RDBMS. What is there, guys? Base. Basically available, stop to state, eventually consistent is the model for many NoSQL system. Is the model for many NoSQL system. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Array, it is SQL database softwares are based on ACID, guys. Base. Okay, guys. Base is for what purpose, guys? Base is the basic principle of what? NoSQL. Can I officially launch MongoDB now? Super, guys. MongoDB. It's a document-based NoSQL data. Every record is one document. So every document can be a different document. In first document, I'll be holding cosmetic product details. Having what? PID, e-name, okay, properties related to cosmetics. Second one, I will store within the document again key values. Key is the attribute name, values are my choice. But not compulsory, all documents should have the same properties. First document can have attributes of what? Cosmetic product. Second document can have attributes of what? Any electronic product. Third one, mobile. Fourth one, okay, textile products. So attributes can be changed or not, guys. Come on. Okay. Internally maintains the data in the form of what? JSON documents. In the form of what? JSON document. JSON. JavaScript object notation. Key value pairs. Examples of JSON data. What guys? Examples of JSON data. Comfortable guys? Tell me guys, this is one document. Open outer open for bracket to outer closing for bracket. Come on. Outer open for bracket to outer closing for bracket is one document. Convinced boss? Come on everyone. Key value. Okay, this is the sub document guys. Key and one more floor bracket closing. This is sub document. Key, this key is having multiple values. Array. First value, second value. Are you noticing it guys? Overall document one document. Come on guys. Key value. Address is the key sub document. Okay. Key, okay, array of values. Understanding my statement boss? Come on. Yes, tell me here. Open document and closing document. First, subdocument 1, right? Subdocument 2, subdocument 3. Total how many documents are there, guys? Total how many documents are there, guys? I want reply, my dear. Total how many documents are there here? I want reply, guys. Come on. Super, guys. Subdocument 1. Subdocument 1, subdocument 2, subdocument 3. Are you understanding? Each document, this is the document open closing. Fine. This is the key with array. Each element is one subdocument. Are you getting my point? Represents array of subdocuments or not? First JSON document, guys. Come on. Then this is key. This key is having what? Array. Each element is what? One subdocument. Represents array of subdocuments. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. JSON. JavaScript object notation is a format defining text data as key value pairs alternate to tag based XML format. In XML, what's the problem, guys? In XML, comparative data decoration is more. Comparative data decoration is more. Open tag, closing tag. Here also decoration is there, but both are equally there, guys. XML docs are tag-based doc, and they are cross-platform docs holding text data. But in XML doc, comparative data, the tags decoration is more. The tags decoration is more. Okay, since JSON word has come, I'm just comparing XML and what? JSON. As on today in the market, if you want to send data from one application to another application without worrying about their technology, worrying about operating system, worrying about platform, only two global formats are there. One is XML, one is what? JSON. But XML is losing its popularity. In that place, who is picking up, guys? Who is picking up, guys? JSON is picking up. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Who is picking up, guys? JSON is picking up. Clear, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Come on. Super. Tell me here what is there, guys? Okay. XML, JSON. Both are, what is there, guys? Tag based. XML, JSON, both are global formats. Both are global formats for exchanging data among the to incompatible applications. Okay, incompatible application. Check it out. You will feel that students, student one, SNO 101, S name Raja, average 45.66. Student SNO 102, S name Rajesh, average is what? 46.66. See, 101 Raja 45.66. This is actual data, right? This is the actual data, boss. This is the actual data. Are you getting my point? But, but, open tag, closing tag, root tag, decoration is more, na? Is like heroine, boss. Compared to acting, makeup is extra. A role will be for 1-2 minutes. Yes or no, na? But preparation, hangama will be there. More makeup mans, more costume designers. Yes or no, na, guys? So it's like what? Heroine, guys. Here what? Hero or villain. It could be villain also. All are equally managed, right, boss? Fine. SNO 101. 101. See, document open to document closing. First document open. Subdocument 1, subdocument 2. Key value. See, everything is coming here. But here data and decoration are equally managed or not, guys? XML JSON are two global format to pass data between two incompatible application without worrying about their hardware setup, software setup, operating system, and what? Network setup and etc. Network setup and what? Etc. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. In MongoDB, physical NoSQL database software. What's the logical DB, guys? In MongoDB, come on, guys, physical NoSQL database software. In that one, logical DB will be there. Every logical DB will have a collection. These are the terminologies. Okay. Here also logical DB, but no tables. What will be there? Collection. Collection is like table. No record. Here what will be there? Documents. JSON document. These are like DB table records. Each MongoDB physical database software can have 0 or more logical DBs. What, guys? 0 or more logical DBs. That means either one logical DB or in Oracle also we have that. Each logical DB can have 0 or more collections like DB table. Each collection can have 0 or more documents like records. Each doc can have 0 or more key value pairs like column values. 0 or more key value pairs like what? Column values. Logical DB is a logical partition of physical database software. Every logical database will be taken on one per project basis. Every logical DB is identified with its what? Name. With its name. It is identified with its name or not, guys? It is identified with its name or not? I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah. MongoDB software installation, MongoDB download. If you go there, you will get it. Latest 7.0.8 is there. Are you understanding? Install like any other Windows software installation. Okay. Come here. MongoDB download. What is there? MongoDB download. Can MongoDB store images and files? MongoDB, most of the NoSQL database softwares are designed to store text content, not the images. Because here no data types, boss, no columns. Then how to manage, sir? Array, you write the text link and store the image in what? Hard disk. That's the system, na? In Oracle also we are preferring that only. In SQL also, though they can store, but what we are preferring? We are storing files, images in what? Hard disk. Only paths we are storing in what? Database table as a string value. Right, boss? Database table as what? String value. Are you getting my point, guys? Understanding my statement, my dear? Okay. Yeah. Tell me next one. What is there, guys? MongoDB. Download. Already in my system it is there, guys. MongoDB download. MongoDB download. Install MongoDB continue edition. How to install MongoDB on what? Windows. So some procedure is there. Okay. You just follow that. You will get a setup file, install it. Okay. But in Oracle, we have a SQL developer as a GUI database tool. For MongoDB, we have Compass, Robo 3T, Studio 3T, and etc. What? GUI database tools. We have them as what? GUI database tool. We have multiple MongoDB GUI tools or client software like what? Compass, Robo 3T and etc. guys. What is there? Compass, Robo 3T and etc. Clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Generally, the MongoDB software will be started automatically along with what? OS. Check using services dot. Once you install, it will be started automatically, guys. Robo 3T name now rename it to what? Studio 3T. Robo 3T name now rename it to what? Studio 3T. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Come on. From MongoDB 6.x, Mongo shell does not come along with the installation. It must be installed separately. This is the URL. Mongo shell. Array, when you install Oracle, you automatically get SQL prompt. But unfortunately, we are not getting what? SQL prompt separate along with what? MongoDB. You have to install it. To start MongoDB software, and to open, to start MongoDB software and to open MongoDB shell, okay, mongo.exe file is there or not there, guys? Okay, let me, yeah, you need to install GUI tool separately, guys. Actually, along with the MongoDB, you will get Compass. You will get what? Compass. But Compass is not industry standard. Studio 3T is the industry standard. It's a trial version is there. Okay, guys, a trial version is there. Studio 3T is the industry standard. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Huh? 9 free ga no. 7 కాదు 8:30 వరకు క్లాస్ ఉంది కదా. These GUI tools need to install what? Separately, right? These GUI tools need to install what? Separately. I'm reading their statement. Great. Okay. Someone else logged with my name. I am not typing anything. No problem. Ra. You listen class. Ra. You are perfect gentleman. Concentrate. Yeah. Okay. Now let me show whether MongoDB installed or not, guys. I hope other days issues will not come. One day I think in Jenkins we got so many issues towards installing software. Yeah, here is what? Program files. Okay, here is what? MongoDB. Yes. server, version, whatever the version. Maybe 1, 2 versions here and there, right? Okay. Bin directory. Here mongo.exe is there now, boss. But you need not to start also. Why? Because the moment the moment you start MongoDB, start the OS, you launch the OS, MongoDB in running mode. Let me check. MongoDB. MongoDB, is it in running mode? Yes. Is it in running mode, guys? Yes. Definitely it is in running mode. Okay, that's great. Generally, generally, physical database software, terminologies in SQL. Physical database software is Oracle. Logical database 1, SID. DB table, columns and rows. DB table 2, columns and rows. DB table 3, columns and rows. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Logical DB2, what is there? SID. DB table and columns maintain. Come on, guys. DB table and columns maintain what? Records or rows, guys. The DB table maintain records or rows. NoSQL MongoDB terminology. Physical database software like MongoDB. In that one, logical DB. Collection 1. Collections will have document. Collection 2, it will. So collections are like tables. Logical DB is logical DB. Documents are right records, boss. Come on, my dear. When we insert a document to collection, the MongoDB dynamically generates one unique ID as hexadecimal number. Why, sir? What is need of it? In Oracle, not happening, na? Tell me, are there any fixed attributes in all documents? Can you give guarantee of fixed attributes? Every document can have a different attributes. So if there is no fixed attribute to search and get the data, right? That's why to bring that uniqueness in every document and to identify the document based on one fixed attribute, they are generating document ID as hexadecimal number or not. Hexadecimal means alphanumeric or not, guys. Check it out here. This is dynamically generated hexadecimal number. These are our content. Though you insert these 4 things, but this will be generated dynamically. Or if you want, you can make one of these 4 things as the identity value. One of these 4 things also has identity value, something like registration number. But no constraints here. So whatever you have taken, you have to maintain unique. No one check whether it is unique or not. No one is going to check whether it is unique or not. Right, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Binary means 0 and 1. Decimal means 0 to 9. Okay, octal means 0 to 7, 8, but 0 to 7. Hexad means base 16, 0 to 9, A to F. 0 to 9 and A to F, right? Mongo shell is like SQL prompt or SQL plus. Mongo shell is like SQL prompt or SQL plus. Okay, to work with this Mongo shell, guys, okay, you have to add MongoDB related bin directory to path environment variable. This is in old version. Old version we have to do it. In new version, what we have to do? You have to install Mongo shell separately. New version, extract MongoDB, Mongo shell software zip file and use mongo sh.exe file to launch what? Mongo shell. Do this in the new versions of MongoDB from 6.x. I already said from 6.x they are not giving Mongo shell along with MongoDB. You have to install Mongo shell separately now, boss. Mongo shell is like a SQL prompt kind of PL SQL, SQL plus SQL prompt kind of thing, right? Okay. Now let me show how to download Mongo shell also. Download Mongo shell. Download Mongo shell. Download Mongo shell. Okay. MongoDB.com.
వాటి మీద స్పందించండి అని మీడియా ప్రతినిధులు అడగ్గా వాటి వేటి మీద కూడా తాను స్పందించదలుచుకోవట్లేదు అని చెప్పి చాలా క్లియర్ గా చెప్పారు. తనపై ఏమన్నా కుట్ర జరిగినట్టు భావిస్తున్నారా అంటే కూడా
Yeah. It's coming as a zip file. Download option is there.
అంతకు మించి తానేమి
Is coming as a zip file. Download option is there or not there? Okay. In my system, where it is there? Okay. In my system, it might be there in D drive. What is there, guys? Mongo shell. Is there or not there? E drive. Mongo shell. I think it is there. Mongo shell is there, na boss. Here is Mongo shell. Bin directory. Mongo sh.exe file. There are not there. Once you launch, it will be connected automatically.
I cannot finish it without saying the thanks to the media. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank the entire media for all your love and support.
Please enter connection string. Nothing is there, guys, connected. It is connected to test logical database or not. It is connected to test logical DB or not. Okay, it's giving version of MongoDB, guys. 7.0.8. Mongo SH version. Mongo shell version is what? 2.2.3. So here, okay. Like SQL prompt, guys, here also we can use this prompt to practice few commands. To list all logical DBs. What's the command we got? Show DBs. Already some logical DBs are there or not there? Okay, I would like to create logical DB. To create new logical DB. To create a new logical DB. To create a new logical DB. Tell me what is the new logical DB? Here we have a command. What is the command we got, guys? Use switch to use this one. Okay, that use NTSPBMS. Okay, what's your batch code? 1102 DB. Okay, automatically switched, guys. It is now. It's see the prompt. This prompt you observe. It's coming like this, na boss. You say DB. Current logical database name it is showing or not, guys. Some commands, guys. Now I would like to create a collection, guys. To create collection with one document. See. To create collection with what? One document. db.customer. Customer is the collection name. db is the command, part of the command. Okay, insert to one. See, guys, insert to one. Key value, comma, key value, comma, key value, comma, key value. Dynamically generated PK column kind of what? Property with a unique value. Customer collection is what? Created. So definitely what it is saying, guys, customer collection is created. Okay. Now tell me, guys, db dot. Okay. Why always this student? Okay. We are bothered about doctor. I think let's take some doctor information also. Okay, doctor dot, what is there? Insert to one. Not only we are creating connection, we are also inserting document to that collection. Flower bracket open, keys in double quotes, values, if it is string double quote, non-string without double. Doc ID. What ID, guys? Doc ID 1001. Doc name Raja. Specialization. What, guys? Specialization. Cardio. See, acknowledgement and one dynamically generated hexadecimal number generated, na boss? Generated or not generated? Okay, that's great, guys. Okay, now I want to see elements in the collection, guys. To list out the documents of the collection, but here I'm also going to discuss insert to one, that's fine, insert to one. So like this, we can insert multiple records or not, guys. But let me give the feeling, okay, now let me give the feeling we can insert multiple records unstructured. Okay, now tell me, this time doc ID I am maintaining, okay, specialization I am not maintaining, this time address I am maintaining. What is that? Address. ADDRS. What is there, guys? Hyderabad. Okay, next salary I am taking, guys. Enter. It's happening or not happening, guys? Come on, everyone. These commands are not case sensitive. You can write uppercase also. So total, see, attributes are different numbers. Not compulsory. You should maintain the doc ID and doc name. You can maintain something else also. No problem. Okay, guys. Tell me. db dot doctor dot find. db dot doctor dot find. First document has come, na? Second document has come. Here is my first document here. For this document separate ID, for this document separate ID. Okay, na? So that's me what? Okay, it's listing all the documents there or not there, guys. Okay, now listen. Earlier, when you use pretty, then only it used to come beautifully like this. But nowadays, not required. You use pretty, you don't use pretty. By default, they are coming pretty only. By default, they are coming what? Pretty only. Okay. Super. Come here. Earlier, they used to get everything horizontally. When you say pretty, then only they used to come like this. But they noticed this is quite regularly one, guys. Pretty off. Is there any change, guys? No. That means earlier there was separate feature. Now in the default nature only, they started showing records in pretty manner. They started showing records in pretty manner. Yeah, I want to insert many documents at once. I would like to insert what? Many documents at once, not one document at a time. I would like to insert many documents at once. db dot, tell me. Okay, doctor dot, db dot doctor dot, what is that? Insert many. db dot doctor dot insert many. db dot doctor dot insert many. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. db dot doctor dot insert many. Floor bracket open. First document, na, right? Here insert many means what, guys? First square bracket, then floor bracket. Array, na, boss. Okay. This time no doc ID. I am directly taking doc name. Doc name. Okay. What is there, guys? Suresh. Okay. Suresh. Tell me. Qualification. I am taking what? Qualification. What is this? MBBS. First document is ready. What's the second document, guys? Come on. What's the second document? Sir, here is GUI interface for inserting is there. I will introduce na right time. First you have to learn basic commands, right? Because fundamentals are fundamentals, boss. Only today. Tomorrow onward GUI. We'll do the same thing through GUI. Later we'll do through our applications. Ultimately we have to do from our application, right? Only for practice, nothing else. This is a bit complex, I agree that. Okay. Yeah, tell me next one. This time again I'm bringing doc ID, guys. No structure, na boss. But whatever it is, it still generates dynamically generated ID. That is the identification one. Okay, this time doc name. Doc name Mahesh. End of the square bracket, end of the method. How many generated, guys? Two IDs. Because two documents it is inserting na boss. How many document it is? Two doc. DB dot doctor dot find of. Okay. Tell me, guys. Fine. We are getting the things over there or not there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. This guy literally doing time pass. And I think he's in time pass mode. Leave it. Okay. To insert many documents we already discussed. Yes. To insert a document to a collection with array values. Here collection means not regular collection, guys. Here collection means like table. But with array values, guys, that means one key should have a multiple value. Nothing else. You have to bring, how we got array of documents, array of phone numbers. We can take array of phone numbers or not, boss. Yeah. DB dot doctor dot insert one. Okay, what is there? Doc ID 3456. Doc name Lokesh. Doc ID, next one is what, guys? Doc name. Here I will take mobile numbers. It should be in double quotes now, guys. Mobile numbers. Tell me here. What is that? Mobile numbers. Mobile number, square bracket, all nines, comma, all eights, done. Okay, close the bracket. We're missing floor bracket, insert. It's happening or not, guys? Come on, everyone. That's great. Yeah, pretty. To list all logical data. To list all collections of a logical database. What is there, guys? Show collections or use collections? Show collections. Only doctor is coming now, boss. Because right now we have created only one thing, guys. To find docs in the collection with a condition. Okay, I want to find only that doctors, that customer whose address is what? Hyderabad. Like this we can write a condition. Like this we can write a condition now, boss. Come on. Okay. Right. Okay. Here, what is their specialization? Based on specialization, I want to find the records. Let me find the record based on specialization. DB dot doctor dot find. DB dot doctor dot find. Floor bracket open, closing bracket. Here is what? ADDRS. No, what is a common thing? I think name is common thing, but name is unique one, right? Name is what? Unique one. So what is the common thing, guys? Qualification also new thing. Address is quite common everywhere. No, doctor name only, right? Okay, doc name. What is there? Doc name. I'm searching with what? Raja name. Having Raja, how many documents are there? Two documents. We are getting both the documents or not, guys? We're happily getting both the documents. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, same condition with one more class, guys. Okay, tell me. Customer dot find. Yeah, I want to give based on what? Bill amount greater than or less than. We have queries for that. But here we are inserting all our what? Numeric values or string values. Here all of them taken as what? Strings. Can we apply that condition now? Can we apply that condition now? No. But I think anyone is having some numeric properties. 1 minute. DB dot customer dot find. So now all records are coming here or not, guys? Fine. Okay. Less than or equal to this one. Okay. Is there any record that is dealing with numeric data? Only salary part. Only salary part and doc ID part. Okay, na? So let me insert one. Not required. DB dot doctor dot find. Mobile number also only few places there. Doctor dot find. DB dot doctor dot find. Okay, is going based on what? Either bill amount greater than or equal to 2000 or bill amount less than or equal to what? 4000. Okay, so there we have taken salary part, guys. What is their salary part? Find dot, tell me, find dot open brackets, huh? Find dot open brackets. Find parenthesis open bracket. Syntax is a bit difficult, guys. Parenthesis open floor bracket. Inside find okay. Yeah, parenthesis open bracket. What is there, guys? Parenthesis open floor bracket. One more thing, huh? Salary colon, salary colon. Okay, 1 minute. Here I want to give greater than less than symbol, right? Yeah, flow to salary. Okay. Yeah, floor bracket, one more this one. Floor bracket, one more this one. This is quite headache one. Be pair. Where is my ID, guys? Yeah. Salary, tell me. Floor bracket open. $G. $EG. GT, greater than equal to. Greater than or equal to G or GT, anything you can take. 3000. What is there? 3000. Salary greater than or equal to 3000. Okay. What is missing, guys? No symbol, huh? Colon, okay. Close the bracket or anything else? Comma less than or equal to. What is there? Comma, comma, dollar. Yeah, what is there? Dollar, LT, 5,000. Okay, I thought 20,000. Right? End of the method. Floor bracket open, closing. I think for salary, one more is open. Yes. Okay, no need of writing pretty by default. Okay, what's happening? Okay. Huh? Doctor spell mistake. Huh? Now you are realized. Huh? What's happening, guys? We are forgetting Doctor spell. Huh? Oh, still not coming, boss. Greater than or equal to salary 84,000. Okay. He'll make it 2 lakhs. Yeah, it's coming, boss. Yeah, until you habituate syntax, you have to bear it. Okay, we can write same thing in this one also. Okay, next one, to update the document. Suppose update one document only it will try to update, guys. Update one, set bill amount is equal to 3,000. Or if columns are not there, attributes are not there, you can dynamically create also. Okay, for name Raja, okay, for name Raja, what I am trying to set was salary. db dot doctor dot update one, tell me, update one, dollar open floor bracket, dollar open floor bracket, what is there, guys? Mm-hmm. db dot doctor dot update one, db dot doctor dot update one. Yeah, tell me what is there, guys? Okay, I only doc name colon Raja. Hey, there are two Rajas. Okay, so I cannot take Raja. Suresh, I am taking. Suresh, I am taking here, guys. Okay, then what? Open floor bracket set. Open floor bracket set. Close. You should have a reference document initially. Again, open floor bracket. Dollar set. Dollar set. Tell me, guys. Dollar set colon. Dollar set colon. Floor bracket open. Salary. Salary is equal to 89,000. Why qualify? Dollar set. 1 minute. No, what's what? I want to add salary, boss. What's your problem? If not there, also we can add. It will add, na? Okay. Then what is there? Okay, two closing floor bracket and open parenthesis, right? Okay, one more this. Okay. What is there? Modification count is 1. How to check whether it is modified or not? Okay. How to check whether it will modified or not? I think salary I have taken without that, but let me check what is that. db dot doctor dot find. Suresh, where is Suresh? And in my total one, Suresh is not there, huh? There. Yeah. Salary has come, na. If not there, it will added, na boss. If not there, it is added or not, guys. Okay. Generally, we take in salary, then key name this one. Delete MongoDB document, right? db.customer.remove CNO 1001. Okay, we can also remove like this by writing whatever the condition you want. db dot, tell me, doctor dot remove, tell me, db dot doctor dot remove, floor bracket opening and closing, tell me, doc name Raja. But there are, we are removing one or two na, remove one or remove. It is remove one or remove, remove. Okay. So let me check whether Raja is having two records, both are deleted or not. Deprecated. It is saying what? Deprecated. Collection dot remove is deprecated. Use delete one, delete many, find and delete bulk right. Okay, it is asking to work with what, guys? Deleted count 0 only camera. Okay, I think doc name, observe very carefully. Doc name, spell mistake na guys. Delete count is 1. Delete count is 1. One record is less now. One record is definitely less now. Come on. Super. Delete many. Suppose based on 103 condition, many records are there. Then we can delete also based on the same command, guys. Tell me. To remove logical database, db dot customer dot drop. First you have to remove the relevant collections now, boss. When no collections are there, it allowed to remove what? Total logical DB. It allows us to remove a total logical DB. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. DB dot doctor dot remove. DB dot doctor dot what is there? Okay, I want to drop the logical database. Okay. Yeah. Logical database gone, huh? No, collection gone because I am saying db dot doctor dot drop. Can we set one common attribute value for all document? If you don't set, it is giving what? That is what? Doc ID, underscore doc ID. So generally you are supposed to set. How can you say common attribute you should set? It's already coming now. Why are you doing their duty and paying salary for that? Yes or no, na? Already underscore doc ID is generated or not? There's no such rule. Common attribute should not be there. Will be there. If you don't use it, will generate and we'll use it. If you use it, if you feel confident forever that is unique, use that one only to identify the record. Okay, doctor is removed or not, guys? Now tell me, guys, show collections. Show collections. No collections are coming. Doctor gone now. Right now, it is not database designing, right? Doctor gone. To list all collections, yes. Okay. To switch one collection to another collection, use. To drop logical DB. What is there? To drop logical DB. Total logical DB I am trying to delete, guys. DB dot drop data. Yeah, drop database. What is there, guys? Drop database. Same Java notation I can say here. Yeah. What is there, guys? Drop database, D capital, right? Now gone now? Yes. Now database got dropped or not, guys? Okay. Database got dropped. That means almost you are able to drop everything now, boss. Okay. How to drop logical database? Drop database. Your logical database gone. Okay. After that, show DBs. In that one, our one is there or not there? Ours one is there, boss? Not there. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? Okay. Okay. That's great, guys. Okay, after this, what is the next thing, guys? Okay, like this, we can play with the shell prompt now, boss. How to insert big data here? Insert one. Insert one, insert many. Insert one, insert many. There's a, see, if you want to do SQL prompt, same as your Oracle one only. But you can do through applications. We can definitely do through what? Application. So these are the basic command I am giving to habituate with the environment, nothing else. Okay. In Spring Data JPA, we need to develop entity class to map with what? DB table. And we have generators to generate ID property value dynamically. We have generators to generate ID property values dynamically. If you don't use generators, what, guys? Yeah, if you don't use what, guys? Generators. Sir, if logical drop is still pointing to logical, that's a command prompt only, na? Just deleted, but until we switch, it will be there. Until you switch, it will be there, right? Okay. Good question, but nothing to panic. Nothing to panic, guys. Okay, and put in your hardware, hard drive. From to Nitin. ND, what ND is saying? Okay. You can store URL of image or video. How many times you'll ask, my dear? Same thing I said, na boss. Store in hard disk, put the URL here, right? Okay, fine, no problem. Let's stop using messages in this one, guys. If you don't use generator, we can manually assign the ID property value, right, boss? Okay. And in the middle of the project, you cannot change SQL to NewSQL to. That's, you have to have a clarity. You should have a clarity. Maybe few modules you can use Oracle, few modules you can use MongoDB. All of a sudden, if you change, it's not going to work out. If you have to redesign entire everything. In time companies, which one prefers are? Again, I am saying, if new comes, old should go, na? No, that's wrong. If you feel you have a structured data, go for SQL. If you feel you have unstructured data, go for what? Prashant, you don't use brains, huh? After telling, when data is having fixed attribute, go for SQL. When data is having what? Dynamically varying attributes, go for what? Yeah. Are you getting my point? Okay, that is not a point, guys. We have to develop entity class in Spring Data JPA, whose object represent record. Here, we should also develop similar class to represent a document. That is document class. How to make normal Java class as document class? @document. In Spring Data MongoDB, right? Okay. Okay, we need to develop At the rate document class to map with what? Collection of MongoDB database software. Here there is no generator. What guys? Here there is no generators to generate the value for what? ID property. So we need to assign unique or random ID value to ID property manually. Or tell me, we need to allow to hexadecimal unique value as the ID property value. Understood my statement, guys? Either you have to assign unique value or random value to ID property manually, or MongoDB itself generating some hexadecimal number as unique value, you have to put into ID property. You have to put that one into what? ID. Here no generators, here no gen. But that is not important. What is the annotation I should use for this? At the rate document is the annotation I should use for it. Clear, boss? Version 1. Best. Storing MongoDB generated underscore ID property value to our ID property of the document class. Regular class, regular data, regular document. Just now we discussed. SNO, SName regular, private string ID at the rate ID. Two things are important. Data type must be string, property name must be ID. Then only it will allow MongoDB generated hexadecimal number into this ID property. Number one, at the rate ID compulsory to make any property ID. But how does it knows? In this property only I should store hexadecimal one. Number one string, number two ID. Property name must be ID. Property name must be ID and type must be string. To hold value generated for what? Underscore property of JSON doc to this ID property of at the rate document class. To this ID property of what? At the rate document class. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, see? Okay, using this class, if I insert the document, you in underscore ID becomes default property attribute. There, hexadecimal number is there, na boss? SNO our choice, SName Mahesh, SADD this. To work with MongoDB database software generated value, which is unique hexadecimal number, we need to take property name as ID and property type as what? String. MongoDB software uses the following 4-5 details to generate what? Hexadecimal number as the unique value. Number one, system IP address. Number two, process ID. Number three, thread ID. Number four, what? System date and time. Number four, what? System date and time. Are you getting my point? No, sir, I am not ready that. I want to assign unique value or random value to what? My ID property. Then you can take any name, any type, guys. SNO integer ID. No MongoDB generated. You have to maintain uniqueness manually. You have to use random number or unique number manually. See, this is the object, guys. For this object, what happened? The SNO itself becoming ID value or not? No MongoDB generated one. See, there, here, same object I created, guys. Here, same object I created. But here ID is on my choice property, right? Here ID is on my what? My choice property. Are you getting my point? That's why this one. But here, this. Why this is best, sir? Here uniqueness is guaranteed. Here programmer manually should maintain uniqueness. Yes, na boss? But in one or other situation, uniqueness may gone, right? One or other situation, uniqueness may gone. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Are you getting my point, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. So version 1, version 2, both are given here. Which is best? First one is best. We can use custom generator or third party generator to store generated ID value to ID property when you decided not to use MongoDB generated one. Otherwise, okay, this one. In Spring Data MongoDB, we don't have ready-made generator. So we use either custom generator or third-party generator to generate ID value dynamic. When you decided not to work with MongoDB generated original ID value, you want to have your own ID value that too dynamically generated. No predefined generator, either custom generator or what? Third party generator. Clear, boss? Document 1 is clear, boss. Today I did not talk much. Why? When should I go for SQL? When should I go for MySQL? After listening that point also, people are still asking, sir, what industry is using? Industry uses both according to situation. In one project, they may use both according to situation. But if before designing the project, you should have a clarity. This project data is a dynamic attributes project or fixed attribute project. Data changing dynamically, data is having fixed schema or not. Okay, then we discuss difference between NoSQL and SQL. Then we introduce terminologies to MongoDB, MongoDB installation, Mongo shell installation, MongoDB installation, Mongo shell installation. We opened shell and we practiced some commands only for understanding purpose to feel it, right? Later, in Spring Data MongoDB, if you want to do all these operations through application, what is required, guys? Document class is required. I talked about how best we can design the document class. What is the best? Private string ID having at the rate ID. Private string ID having what? At the rate ID. Are you getting my point there? Come on, my dear. Super. Okay. This is what we need to focus. Right? Today evening, this class continuation will be there, both offline and online. But tomorrow, 11 o'clock, completely online. No offline. Clear, boss? Convinced with me? Thank you, guys. Have a nice time.